Alright, we dipped this in the legendary Nuke Mum. Oh my god, so sweet. Alright guys, just to change things a little bit, we're gonna do the room tour starting from the balcony.
So we just checked into our Airbnb in NHA Trang. We're at the Costa Residence. So this is our balcony. We're on the highest floor. We're on the 17th floor. You do have a partial view of the beach over there. You can see that's the beach. It's right there. We're on the beachfront.
And the pool is just downstairs.
Yes, on the second floor there is a pool, there is a gym, and there is a yoga room. So you have quite a large balcony with a table and chairs if you want to have your coffee in the morning. Living room, nice modern furniture. We have TV right here, air conditioning, a safe, bathrobes. We have even an iron as well.
I just hit my pinky toe down there. Ow! Okay, let's get back to the room tour. Sorry.
So this is a dining room table, fridge, microwave. We have glasses and bowls and stuff if you want to heat up something. We have a washing machine, which is great for laundry. Bathroom, a glass door shower. So quite modern, it's very pretty, it's simple, but it has everything we like to have. Yeah.
We love it. Yes, we are super hungry. We're gonna go find something to eat.
They have amazing seafood buffets here because you're right on the side of the beach and they have tons of seafood, so we're gonna try to find one that's yummy.
Wow guys, since the last time we were here, which 3 years ago.
Yeah,
look at all the high-rise since we last time visited NHA Trang.
In the Montan last time, the one with the how do you call those, the wings on top, but all those high-rise were not there last time. Crazy.
I think we found the spot where we used to eat.
Yeah, we used to eat the seafood buffet at this hotel. It's a Liberty Central, and so it started at 6 and now it's 5, so we have 1 hour to kill. It's 230 Vietnamese dong per person, and we remember it being quite good, so we're gonna try it again. But it's been 3 years, so you never know.
Ooh, what is this, Jade?
Those are dried jackfruit. So they're like jackfruit chips. They're really, really good, and it's something that a lot of people buy to bring home. See how crunchy they are?
Oh, really crunchy. Smells good, a good perfume. Really light, super good.
So, because we have an hour to kill, we decided to buy some light snack before heading to the buffet.
Discount for you 140 for 1 hour.
Foot massage?
Yes.
Jade, you know you're not supposed to eat everything in the bag.
But
we're
so
going to a buffet later.
Okay, but they're so good. Last 3, okay? Last 3.
Jade, I'm going to do some B-roll outside. Can I trust you with this bag here? That you will not touch it?
Depends, can I reach it?
Are you falling asleep?
Trust me, after this and the food,
Oh, okay,
I'm
guys.
gonna be in a coma.
Alright, guys, so we might end the vlog today, right now. Hope you guys like it.
We're gonna end it after the buffet.
And half of the bag later.
The girl was so good. I think we're gonna come back to get a body massage in either tomorrow or the day after. She's really good. She's just like, she knows how to massage you. But you know what I like the best? Don't you guys, when you get massage, you know, like when there are people with bony fingers?
Oh my god, that was this bus right there. It's super loud.
I hate it because I feel it's like a pen poking me. I don't like it at all.
Yeah,
But the
so-
girl I just had, she has like meaty fingers. And it's just so good. Ah, I love it.
Alright, let's go eat. I'm
Yes.
hungry. Okay guys, so piggy as we are door crasher at the buffet.
Wow,
It's just
been
open.
for 15 minutes now, so it's not so bad, you know?
Okay.
We save some face.
It's funny, we just got enter and Jade was offered to, you know, do a tour of the buffet because here in Asia, you're supposed to inspect your buffet before entering.
Well, just so you know, you don't say that it was not to your standard and you don't want to pay after, right? But
I'm
I
not
think you
used to
get
that.
everything that you need.
Oh yeah?
Yes, they confirm.
It's the durian?
No.
Okay. That's some blue jello.
Do not eat it, guys. Do not eat it.
Can I poke it?
No, don't cook.
Smells so good.
Smells so fresh, guys. So guys, I told you the tuna eggs, once cooked, it looked like this.
It doesn't look like, how do you call that?
Caviar?
Caviar, yeah.
I don't know, but it's tuna eggs and it's so good.
Alright guys, so look at this yummy dish. You have some oyster here, you have some snails, and you have some clams that are cooked with some, no, they are grilled with green onion and some peanuts also. And this is some Vietnamese fried rice. The classic here, you have some salt and pepper with lemon. Oh wow. A lot of noodles that they gather together so it becomes like a pancake. Add some nuc mam again on it. And then there's some pork that you can add together. And you just gather the whole piece like this. And oh my god. It's the layer of noodle stacked together that give it a really nice texture. We call this ốc bu in Vietnamese. So look at how chubby it is. Alright, we dip this in the legendary nuc mam. Oh my god, so sweet. Just heaven in the mouth. And does it look like I love some oyster?
They're so good. Also have a very good food selection for dessert and some Vietnamese desserts like the chè, and they also have like the little cake, how do you call it? Like a jello cake with like coffee and the green one and the coconut one is so good. But I picked up
three-stage color.
yeah, it's like a jello. But I picked up some fruits. If you guys don't know what this is a longan. It's not a lychee, okay? Lychee it's redder and has little texture on the skin. You see, this is like brown and smooth. You have to open it up. It's sweet and it's white like this. Inside it's sheer, and you eat all the white part. And
There's a seed inside.
yes, so the seed obviously you don't eat. So this is what you eat. It's really sweet.
And juicy.
And it's really healthy as well. A lot of Chinese people use this in the summertime to maintain their health and stuff. And you can also put this in water and tea and soups to make it just a little bit sweeter and have a little bit of jelly texture.
And if you guys have a sweet tooth to end your meal, in Vietnam we have this meal called chè. Chè means sweet soup, and this is some algae with some green bean and some Chinese date. The soup tastes really sweet and it's fresh because I put some ice in it. You can eat this cold or warm, but it's a sweet soup and it's perfect to, you know, end the meal. Delicious. Oh yeah. And Vietnamese, we serve when we eat. Like, it means that is really good. Oh my god. And like 6th round of seafood later.
Yeah, so cool.
With the dessert.
I'm definitely in a food coma right now.
Oh yeah, Jade.
I was looking for the last half an hour. I've been looking.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my
For the
god.
last half an hour, I've been looking for a place to take a nap. Like, oh, those couches looks comfy.
Oh yeah, she have like little eyes like this, you know, you barely
Well,
see an
I
eye.
had a foot massage right before, right?
And belly full.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're heading to the NHA Trang beach to show you guys how the beach is and everything. I'm gonna try to get my eyelashes refilled. So ladies, if you want a good spot, I'm gonna try to find one for you guys. For now, if you like today's vlog, please click on the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.